Hello and welcome to today's video. Today there's an article from Coin Central written by Trader Edge. The article says, daily market update, the markets rebound while gold reaches all-time high. Bitcoin trades near 88,000 as gold hits a record 4,380. Asian stocks rise 1% while S&P 500 approaches record high for Fed rate cut expectations. The main points here are Bitcoin traded near 88,800 on Monday as global markets slowed risk appetite with Asian stocks rising over 1%. Gold hit an all-time high about 4,380 per ounce, tracking towards its best annual performance since 1979. Ether climbed back above 3,000, while XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin gained after recent volatility. Over 576 million in crypto positions were liquidated during the recent volatile period. Wall Street strategists set bullish 2026 targets, with JP Morgan forecasting S&P 500 at 7,500. Bitcoin maintained its position near 88,000 on Monday as global markets showed renewed appetite for risk assets. The leading cryptocurrency traded steadily while broader markets posted gains across multiple asset classes. Like here you can see the trading range from December 16th to 22nd. Ether recovered a trade above 3,000 during the season. Other major cryptocurrencies and including XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin also posted gains following a period of sharp price swings. The crypto market recently experienced turbulence with over 576 million in positions liquidated. The thin year-end liquidity and lingering leverage have kept rallies in check according to traders. Gold pushed to a recent high above 4,380 per ounce on Monday. The precious metal is on pace for its strongest annual performance since 1979. Central banks buying and steady inflows into gold-backed exchange-traded funds have supported the rally. Growing expectation that the Federal Reserve will deliver rate cuts in 2026 added to gold's momentum. Asian equities advanced more than 1%, led by technology shares. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index rose as US equity futures also traded higher. Markets showed stability after US equities rebounded late last week. The move helped calm global markets heading into the final weeks of the year. Here you can see the email mini S&P 500. The stock market performance: the S&P closed within 1% of its record high after 5 straight sessions of gains. The Nasdaq Composite ended November within 3% of its peak despite snapping at 7-month winning streak. The Dow Jones Industrial Average traded less than 2% below its record close. Markets finished the holiday-shortened week on a positive note. Technology stocks showed mixed performance over the past month. Meta shares declined 13%, while Nvidia dropped about 8% during the period. Rate cut expectations: traders currently predict an 86.9% chance of a quarter-point rate cut at the Federal Reserve's December meeting. The Fed entered its mandatory blackout period on Saturday ahead of its December 9 to 10 policy meeting. President Trump announced he had selected his nominee for the next Federal Reserve chair. He stated expectations for the nominee to deliver interest rate cuts without naming his choice. He has been going on about the next chair and what he has to do all along several months now, so this is no surprise. The Wall Street strategist issued a bullish forecast for 2026. JP Morgan set the target for 7,500 for the S&P 500 and by the end of the year, representing nearly a 10% gain from current levels. HBC strategists also set their 2026 price target at 7,500. Deutsche Bank predicted the index would reach 8,000, with all three firms citing the AI technology cycle as a key driver. Data from the Cake 33 research shows long-term Bitcoin holders are nearing the end of an extended selling phase. Institutional buyers have begun absorbing Bitcoin faster than miners can produce it, according to the research. Corporate treasuries and ETFs increased their Bitcoin purchases even after prices fell more than 30% from October highs. Japan's recent rate hike pushed government bond yields to multi-level highs after the yen strengthened. And that was the article. If you liked it, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below, and we can have a chat in the forums. And I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays.